Good morning all of you. Last time we had completed question number 1 of exercise number 2.2. Today we are going to start the question number 2 of exercise number 12.2. So I am reading the question. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3, BC is equal to 4, CD is equal to 4, DA is equal to 5 and AC is equal to 5. You can see I have drawn the quadrilateral A, B, C, D in which the all sides are given AB, BC, CD, DA as well as AC. This are given and we have to find the area of this quadrilateral. As you know that one triangle is ABC, one triangle is ABC. This is given and another triangle is another triangle is ACD, another triangle is ACD. Both the triangles are given. We have to find both the triangles, these two are there. We have to find the area of this quadrilateral. What we will do? We will add the area of these two triangles. After finding, we will add the area of these two triangles. Now, your people are knowing the Heron's formula. By using the Heron's formula, three sides are given, 1, 2 and 3. Three sides are given, we will find the semi-perimeter. After finding the semi-perimeter, it means S, you can put in the Heron's formula. So, in the Heron's formula, root S into bracket S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. You can use that, and for this also you can use. But see that here the triangle is given 3, the sides are given 3, 4 and 5. It means first of all check it out whether it is right angle triangle or not. For finding the right angle triangle, what we have to do? We have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. We have to check in the Pythagoras theorem. If the square of sum of these two sides, is equal to the square of this side, then this is the right triangle. We know that. So you can apply first AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It means AB square means 3 3 is 9. BC square it means 4 4 is 16. 9 plus 16 will give you 25. So 5 5 is 25. Yes, it is a Pythagoras theorem. After proving that Pythagoras theorem, you can say that this is the right angle triangle. So for this, if you want to apply the Heron's formula, you can apply the Heron's formula. But when proving the 90 degree, you can also apply half into base into altitude. Half into base into altitude. It becomes easier to you. You can find with the help of Heron's formula. No issue for that. But it is a right angle by applying half base into altitude. It gives you 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. This is the 6. The area of triangle ABC is 6. It is given in meter or centimeter. It is given in centimeter. So it is centimeter square. Now, of this, now we can find that the area of these two sides is not equal to this 5 5 are 25, 4 4 are 16. So it will be not equal to 5 5 are 25 here only. So it will be not equal to 5 square. Hence, compulsory we have to apply the Heron's formula. Now for Heron's formula, you are knowing that first of all, for Heron's formula, what we have to find? First of all, we have to find the semi-perimeter. It means S is equal to A plus B plus A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is equal to, you can take any side of the A, you can take any side A and B on C. It will give you 10, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 4, 14 divided by 2, which will give you 7. Which will give you 7. The A plus B plus C divided by 2 and putting the value of 5, 5 and 4, you can get the semi-perimeter. After getting the semi-perimeter, you can put it into the area of triangle ABCD is equal to root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Now what is your S? S is 7, 7 minus A, 7 minus B and 7 minus side C. So it will be your is equal to root 7 into 2 into 2 and 3. Fine. This will be your 7 minus 7 into 7 minus 5, 7 minus 6, 7 minus 5, 7 minus 4. So it will be 7 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this 2 is coming 2 times, means it will be 4. The square root of 4 will be 2 root 7 into 3. It will give you 2 root 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Now the area of triangle, sorry, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 6 plus 2 root 21. This is the area. Note, if the value of root 21 is given to you, then you have to apply the value of root 21 and multiply it by, then you have to apply the value of root 21 and multiply by 2, get the value and add it with the 6 if only it is given to you, else it's okay. But for this 6 plus 21 plus 2 is 9.6 something will be there. 9.6 something will be there. So which is equal to approximately 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 plus 6 approximate centimeter square. Approximate. Fine, 9.6 or 9.2. Fine.